Now see question number 3.5. Okay, construct a rectangle ABCD such that AC equals to 5 centimeter and angle BAC it is equals to 30 degree. That means it is a rectangle in which a diagonal AC is given, okay, and an angle is given. But as we know, it is a rectangle, okay, and in rectangle always a rule applies, that is the length of diagonals are always equal. That means if AC is 5 centimeter, then BD must be equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, so what we have to do, as we know the diagonals bisect each other, so we have to take the bisection. Okay, so at first just take the length 5 centimeter and on the initial line you have to cut this length. Okay, after cutting this length, putting the needle on the initial line, just draw this. Okay, we have drawn that 5 centimeter. Now you have to bisect this 5 centimeter. Okay, because we are drawing AC here. Okay, so we have to get the midpoint, so we have to bisect this. So to get this point we have to take the arc of any length and just bisect it. Just to take the midpoint we are drawing this, we have to join this point and this point to get the midpoint only. No need to draw the line, so you will draw the line by dotted. Okay, as you can see I have drawn a dotted line. Now what we have to do, see here, if we take this as the baseline AC, we have to draw 30 degree below the line. Okay, so we have to take 30 degree from a point, but it should be below. So we know how to draw 30, we have to take 60 at first. So as we draw 60, we have to draw it in the reverse order. Okay, in this way you have to draw this, and putting the needle here you have to cut it here so that you can get 60. But we don't need to draw 60, we have to take 30. That means we have to bisect this angle. That means we have to take needle here and we have to cut it here. Similarly we have to put the needle here and we have to cut it here. Okay, so you will put the needle here. By any arc you can draw this. I am taking the same arc. You have to draw this. Similarly you have to put the needle here and you have to cut this. So you got 30 degree. If you join this you will get the 30 degree line. So you have to draw this now. As you can see I have drawn this 30 degree line in this way, but no rectangle is forming now. So we have to draw this line in this direction so that we can get the parallel line, so that we can get the rectangle. Okay, how to draw this? Just you have to take the same arc. Okay, the same arc you have drawn it here. Just you have to draw this same arc, putting the needle at C on the top. Okay, the same arc we have drawn, just draw the same arc here, but you have to put the needle here. Now just take this length. Okay, just take this length. You have to put the needle here and you have to cut it here. Okay, just taking this length we have cut it here so that we can get 30 degree. If it is difficult to you, just draw 30 putting the 60 degree in this way, and you have to cut it here, and by taking the needle here and here you will get that 30. You can draw it in this way also. Okay, now you have to join this point and this one so that you can get 30 degree. You can see we have drawn two parallel lines. Okay, now we have to draw 90 degree from this point, taking this line as the base, because in rectangle here the angle is always 90 degree. That means if the line AB is this one, so we have to take 90 degree from this point, putting this as the base. So take the needle here, take any arc, start drawing 90 from this. Okay, when you are drawing in this way, you have to put the needle here. Okay, just follow, you have to put the needle here on the next line. Okay, cut it here. Similarly, as the arc is smaller, I am taking it longer. Similarly, as we got 60, we have to draw that 120 here. Okay, next we have to cut it so that you can get 90. Okay, now see, as the base was on the downward, so the figure is bent. Okay, now you have to join this so that you can get the line AD. Okay, so you have to join this. Now see, the figure is looking like this. Okay, we got the point D, but it is here. Okay, because this line and this line are intersecting at this point, so this point is D. Now you have to take this length AD. Okay, the length AD, you have to take this, and putting the needle at C, you have to cut it here. Okay, so you got this point at the intersection point. Now you have to join this so that you can get the rectangle. This figure is very much difficult. If it is looking easy for you, then you will do this. It is not necessary for your exam, because this type of construction does not come in exam. Okay, now you can see I have joined this. I am naming this AB. Now see, it was given, this was 30 degree and the length of this diagonal AC was given 5 centimeter. Okay, nothing was given more, just getting these two values, we have drawn the figure. Now you have to write the statement ABCD is a rectangle in which angle, see what angle was given, BAC. Okay, in this question it was given BAC is 30 degree and AC equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, so if it is easy, then only you will do this construction. Okay.